Tonight, our friends are here to present a powerful narrative that explores the heart of feminism and the ongoing journey towards equality. Women navigate a world that often tries to define them, but through resilience, courage, and solidarity, they reclaim their voices and their space. This drama also tells us a gripping and thought-provoking story that confronts one of society's oldest and most painful injustices, the caste system. The students of grade 8 to 11 are going to perform a drama titled as Lakshmi Purana.
Narayana, 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 Narayana. Jai Shri Jagannath. Jai Ma Lakshmi.
Huh? Hey, was she? Narad Munivar? You? At this time?
You know everything, Mate, but even then, it is my job to inform you about uproar, injustice, and agitation all over the world, Mate.
Injustice in uproar?
Yes, Mate. This society has been divided into two parts. The walls of virtue is falling. It's time for you to come out of Sri Mandir and look at the people and problems by yourself, Mate. It's time for you to come out of Sri Mandir and look at the problems by yourself, Mate.
जगन्नाथ दया कर।
Mike.
Jagannathan Swami स्वामी नयन पतगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथम स्वामी नयन पतगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथम स्वामी
Chi. Early in the morning, we saw a face of a barren woman, and she is an untouchable too. Today, she is completely ruined.
Move away from here.
Forgive me, Raj Purohitji. I made a mistake. Raj Purohitji, today is the first Gurubar of Margashish. That's why I have a desire to complete my works and venerate Mata Mahalakshmi.
What? You want to do Lakshmi Puja? You, being an untouchable, you have such high desires.
Raj Purohitji, is it a sin for us to worship Mata?
Not just a sin, a very big sin. Because you have taken birth in the Chandal caste. Even your shadow ruins everything. And you want to venerate Mahalakshmi? Pap, Mahapap.
But Panditji, we are human too, like you.
Since when did you untouchables become humans? What are you watching? Trasher, hit her to death.
Shreya, where did you learn to make such a nice albonas?
You're making fun of me because it doesn't look good, isn't it?
No, it looks good.
Arey, where do you get so many lotuses from?
I used to say, Mata Lakshmi like lotuses. I brought as many as I could for you. My heart says, Mahalakshmi will surely heed you.
Mahalakshmi seeks Lord Jagannath's permission to embark on a Desh Brahman, eager to witness the preparations for Manabasa Gurubar and find those who call upon her with true devotion. As she travels, disappointment fills her heart. Selfishness, impurity, and arrogance cloud the land. No one is prepared for her arrival. But soon, she reaches the humble home of Shriya Chondaluni. Unlike others, Shriya has cleaned her house, adorned it with alpona, and prays with unwavering faith. Moved by her devotion, Ma Lakshmi enters Shriya's home and blesses her with endless prosperity, proving that true wealth lies in a pure heart.
Jagannath, 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 Jagannath.
What happened, Brata Shri?
The Kulvadu of Sri Mandir will do such an adharma. I could never even think about that.
Sri Mandir Kulvadu and an adharma? I did not understand anything, Bhaiya.
She forgot all the rules, regulations, and customs of the Sri Mandir and went to an untouchable's house. An untouchable's house.
An untouchable's house? Lakshmi? Is this even true?
Lying is your habit, not mine. If our Kulvadu crosses the threshold of the temple and goes to an untouchable's house, then what can be a bigger insult?
But, Bhaiya,
I don't want to hear anything. Such an apman will not be tolerated. Today, right from now, Lakshmi is barred from entering the temple. Go, throw her out of the temple.
Lord, you here? Are you angry because I'm late? Come, Prabhu. We'll have to prepare for the Dashmi Bhoj. No, Devi. You cannot enter the temple. Why are you joking with me, O Lord? I'm not joking. It is the truth. These are the orders of the elder brother. But Lord, what is the reason? You have went to an untouchable's house and accepted an offerings? Prabhu, is it a crime to accept a devotee's veneration? No, but it is against our customs and traditions. You have become an outcast, Lakshmi. You are impure now. You are banned from entering the Sri Mandir. Oh, it is against the law to go to an untouchable's house. I've become an outcast now. I don't have the right to enter the Sri Mandir. Lord, please don't provoke me, or else you will feel very bad. Anyways, listen, in the Treta Yuga, when you ate Shabari's half-eaten fruits, why didn't you think about caste then? When you ate food cooked by Jarasapur year after year, why didn't you think about caste? At that time, you didn't think about caste, religion, sin, or merit. Lakshmi, leave from here. Okay, when you have decided to leave me, then it is not right for me to stay here another moment. I am leaving the Sri Mandir right now. If the sun and the moon are true, if the 10 gods of the 10 directions are true, if I am a Sati Nari, then I curse you both brothers that you will not find a morsel of food or a drop of water for the next 12 years. You will wander around like beggars for food, and until this untouchable doesn't give you something to eat, you will remain hungry. Nam. Bhaiya, I'm very hungry.
Arey Kana, I too am very hungry. Come on, let's recite the Gayatri Mantra. Surely someone thinking us as Brahmin might give us some food. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasvadimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya.
Ma, They have wandered around on an empty stomach and have come to a doorstep, ma. Daya karo, ma. Daya karo. Have pity.
What's the matter, Putra?
Please give us something to eat, ma.
We have been hungry for many days.
Wait, Jess, I'll get you some food. Take, I got you some rice and dal for the both of you.
Aha, we are finally getting some food.
Huh? Hare? Hey Prabhu Jagannath, what has happened? All the rice blew away in a second. This happened because of you both. You Lakshmi and Vets people. I'll teach you a lesson. Oh, Baladev. Get out. Get out, I say. I said get out. Get out, get out, get out of here.
Baya, astonishing. This palace is so beautiful. This looks exactly like the Sri Mandir.
Yeah, that's so strange. But we need to ask for food. Arey, Kana, look, someone has come. Say.
You say?
Arey, you say.
You are elder, you say.
Look, what are they whispering, looking at us?
Hey, have you both come here for food? If so, please know this is Chandalone's palace.
I haven't eaten for many days. Today, I'll eat my art's content.
Wait, we cannot eat from an untouchable. Rather, bring us ingredients and supplies. We'll cook our food ourselves. How long does it take to cook food? You can make it in seconds.
Balabhadra and Jagannath, the mighty lords of the universe, decide to cook food for themselves. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Well, turns out they can wield divine weapons, but lighting a simple hearth? Impossible. Boiling water? A disaster. Balabhadra, ever the elder brother, takes charge. But the only thing he manages to do is turn the kitchen into a battlefield. Frustrated beyond measure, he smashes the earthen pot one by one, as if they personally offended him. Finally, exhausted, defeated, and hungry beyond patience, he throws up his hands. Forget it. If we want to cook food, we'll have to starve to death. I'd rather eat at an untouchable's house and save my life. And just like that, the grand godly experiment in cooking comes to a tragic yet hilarious end.
Arey Kana, we have faced enough consequences of being rushed. Go, quickly console Bahurani.
Lakshmi? Lakshmi?
Lord, what is the reason for coming to this maid? You once told me that I am an untouchable. What is my need now?
These arguments are a part of Grihastha life. Being upset for such a thing? How right is that, Devi? Won't you forgive me, Priye?
But will men continue to commit atrocities on women with the difference between caste and creed, untouchables, and the disparity between Brahmins and Chandalas exist in the Sri Mandir?
No, Priye. I, the sole Lord of the universe, promise to you that such leprosies of the society will be uprooted. On Thursdays, whoever worships you will be blessed with riches, wealth, respect, and the Vaikunth Dham itself. The Sri Mandir will stand testimony to my words.
चेयर का है
लक्ष्मी हस्त धरिण जगन्नाथ नेले बड़ देउलकु प्रभु विजय करिराले लखे चंद्र उदिय जे छमुरे जड़ाई देउलकु विजय कले ब्रह्मांड बसाई इंद्र डाकुछंती देव मणिमा मणिमा ब्रह्मा डाकुछंती देव गुहारी सुनिमा वरुण कुबेर जे हस्तरे बेत धरी नृत्य करुथिले तहि स्वर्ग पसारी
नारायण 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 यहु लक्ष्मींक पुराण संपूर्ण होइला भावे बलराम दास गीतारे गाइला नारायण
लक्ष्मी पुराण संपूर्ण